Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Salad Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Accused person Nitin Gadkar, aged 38 years, resident of South of Calangute, went to the restaurant of his ex-wife, abused her along with her uncle in filthy language, assaulted her with fist blows and kicks, and when her uncle intervened, he also assaulted him, and subsequently the accused person assaulted her uncle very badly by banging his neck on the RCC concrete drainage slab, wherein the deceased person, Joseph Fernandes, age 58 years, sustained severe head injury. He was rushed to Primary Health Center, Kandoli, from where he was referred to Goa Medical College, wherein he was declared dead.